Meron daw dalawang klase ng happiness. Hedonia and, eudaimonia? Hindi ko alam kung tama yung nabasa ko sa pangalawa. So, hedonia is hedonic happiness. It is derived from pleasure. It is most often associated with doing what feels good. Ayan, self-care, ayan, fulfilling desires, experiencing enjoyment, and feeling a sense of satisfaction. Hello, Ma'am Margo, Venice Shop. Good morning, good morning. Arante Animo, Saler Baler, Candy, good morning. 123 million viewers in the house. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Jacob Haller, John Gabriel 78, good morning. My Valentino, salamat po sa pag-like, salamat po sa pag-suporta. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Paano basahin?
Eudaimonia.
Eudaimonia, thank you. Eudaimonia, yung pangalawang kind daw ng happiness. This type of happiness is derived from seeking virtue and meaning. Important components of eudaimonic well-being, including feeling that your life has meaning. Ayan pala yan. Ikaw ay may value, kung baga. Value and purpose. Ayan. It is associated with more fulfilling responsibilities, investing in long-term goals, concern for welfare of other people, and living up to personal ideals. Yun pala siya, no? 130 million viewers in the house. Okay, may dalawang klase daw ng happiness ayon kay, no? According to Aristotle, may dalawang klase ng happiness. Hedonia and eudaimonia. Okay? I love 16. Salamat sa pag-follow. Nath, salamat sa pag-follow. Sheesh, salamat sa pag-follow. I am faithfully yours 3112. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining. 117 million viewers in the house. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy and blessed Sunday, guys. So, yun pala yun. So, si hedonia, yung happiness from pleasure, derived from pleasure. So, yung siguro pagka namamasyal kayo, ganyan. Okay. Doing what feels good kapag kayo ay nagpapamasahe, spa, ganyan. Self-care, ganon. Comfort, siguro ganon, no? Eudaimonia naman is derived from seeking virtue and meaning. So, medyo mas mataas na level ng happiness. Oo. No? Well, mas mataas kasi ito, including that your life has meaning, value, and purpose. Ito pa, kasama dito yung being concerned about the welfare of other people. Ay, diba? Selflessness, kasama pala yun doon. Hedonia and eudaimonia are more commonly known today as in psychology as pleasure and meaning pala yun. O, diba? May natutunan ako ngayong araw na to, nagbabasa lang din. Yung mga sinishare ko po sa inyo, nakukuha ko din sa Google. Ayan. So, yun, no? Ang ganda. More recently, psychologists have suggested the addition of the third component that relates to engagement. These are feelings of commitment and participation in different areas of life. Ayun pala yung mga iba-ibang klase ng happiness, guys. So, tanong, are you happy? Are you happy? Type 1 if you're happy. Type 2 if you are feeling blessed. Happy ba kayo? Do you feel blessed? Ayan, okay. So, some types of happiness that may fall under these three main categories include joy, often relatively brief, saglit lang. Brief feeling that is felt in the present moment, joy. Excitement, happy feeling that involves looking forward to something positive and to positive, ayan, anticipation, yan. So, ano ba ang happiness ninyo? Do you feel joy? Joy. Ang joy pala ay saglit lang. Brief feeling in the present moment. Excitement naman kapag meron ka nila look forward. Halimbawa, bago kayo pumasyal, di ba? Bago kami pumasyal sa Europe noon, excited ako na makasakay ulit ng aeroplano at mag-travel ulit outside the country. Kasi for so many years, meron tayong pandemic. Diba, nakakulong lang tayo sa bahay-bahay natin. No? Yan. Excitement, gratitude is happiness, guys. Gratitude is a positive emotion that involves being thankful and appreciative. Na kayo ba ay nagpapasalamat? Kayo ba ay appreciative? Ayan. Ito yung mga signs of happiness kinds of happiness. Pride. Feeling of satisfaction in something that you have accomplished. Yung proud kayo, proud. Iba yung proud dun sa mayabang, ha? Iba yon guys, okay? Yung pride, yung tamang tamang proud ka lang na, yay, na-accomplish ko to, but you are not bragging. Okay? Ayan. Optimism. Positive thinking, yan. This is a way of looking at life with a positive, upbeat outlook. Contentment. This type of happiness involves a sense of satisfaction. Kontento ka sa kung ano man ang mayroon ka. Ayan. So, ito po mga ito ay types of happiness.